Hey YouTube, today I have an unboxing of the Creative Outlier Gold. Now I got these earphones because I did have a pair of Sennheiser True Momentum Wireless. However, they were faulty. They turn on but no sound comes out from them, so I had to send them off to Sennheiser. Now this is my second time having to send them in for a pair, so obviously there is an issue with the durability of the earphones. So I decided to go for a mid-range wireless. Hopefully these are a bit better in terms of durability. Just do a quick unboxing right now. So packaging is really small. Now the reason why I got this specific pair, they were pretty highly rated for the less than $200 range. It's got really good battery life, so 14 hours of battery per charge. I believe that's best in class. With the Sennheisers, I believe those are only around 4 hours of playback time. So upon opening the box, just a manual piece of paper. These are the earphones themselves. Pretty nicely packaged. Now this is a light gold case. Looks pretty good. Just pop the earphones in like so. They seem pretty cool. I've seen these in videos and they light up. It looks a bit gimmicky, but I'll try them out for myself. So included in the box is also it's a USB-C cable. USB-C cable, and also some extra ear tips. Straight. Okay, so I just had a quick 5-minute test of these earphones, and boy, I am really impressed by them. I don't really miss my Sennheisers listening to these. I mean, yes, the clarity isn't as great as the Sennheisers, and the music isn't as impactful and encapsulating, but for the price that I paid about $120 for these. I think they retail for $150 or $160 in Australia, and for the price I paid, really good value. They're not that comfortable. It sort of feels like they are really digging into your ears. But at the same time, you get really great noise isolation because of that. So I guess that's a trade-off that you make because it goes so deep into your ears. Profile is good. Fits really flush. It feels very secure. I haven't tested out phone calls with these yet, but I have seen other videos and the call quality is pretty good from what I've heard and from what I've seen. In comparison to the Sennheisers, they are atrocious. I'm not sure if it's just me and I've just gotten two faulty units, but every time I make a phone call, if I'm taking a Teams meeting or a phone call, people will say, hey, do you have your head like dipped in a bucket of water? And it's just really embarrassing, especially when you're attending those business meetings and conference calls. It's just not a great look. So these are definitely great. They look pretty cool, pretty lightweight. They feel pretty solidly built. They're not as flashy as the Sennheisers with the silver outer covering, but hey, I reckon these are a great buy, great price, really decent sound, compact, apparently really good battery life, but I've yet to test that. Good microphone quality. I think these are a standout in the true wireless earphone market, so definitely check them out. I recommend. Anyways, I hope this video was useful and you found it entertaining. I'll see you in the next one.